Travis,
Yes.
what are you doing?
I am putting a fuel pump in this truck.
Okay, this Mazda truck.
2000.
Okay, it looks like you got the pickup bed off it or something.
Yeah, I did a little different. Instead of dropping the tank and doing it that way, this way looks easier. I just lift the bed and I have access right there.
Okay, well let's see what it takes to put in that pump.
Alright.
The pump is, there's the fuel tank right there. So this pump fits inside the fuel tank.
Yep, drop it right down in there, just like so. Just like that.
Okay, so now you got to tighten it all up and then hook up the fuel lines, then change out the fuel filter.
Yep, and then put the bed back on and bolt it.
Well, tell you what, when you're ready to put the bed back on, we'll come back.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Okay, so I'm ready with fuel pumps in. I'm going to lower the bed. I did it this way so we can test the fuel pump. So I've already tested it. It runs. Now I'm going to put the bed back on the truck and then we're done.
Okay.
Good over there, Stan? Okay. Nice and easy. We go right back to the same spot. Okay? Alright. And we are down.
So now you just got to bolt everything together and we're all set.
Put those bolts on it, we're done.
Okay, thanks Trav. Thanks Stanley.